here's how you can check the most used apps on your Android phone. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, it can all be found and managed in the settings. Upon going to the digital well-being and parental controls, you have the breakdown of the storage, the usage situation. So at the top, you can see how many apps are the most used apps, so you can see it right away for this period. You can expand the view for the time spent and even go back in a time and see the situation for past weeks and days, and you can see the apps used in those periods and so on. So it's going to give you a nice breakdown of the data and the apps which have been used. On the main page, we as well have the graph icon and at the top, which is the weekly report, which is going to provide you with the most used apps in the past week. This is also going to show you the peak usage times and some averages as well, so it's giving you nice information which you might be interested in. If you, however, mean the apps which have been downloaded or the history of all of the downloaded apps, you can go to the Play Store, tap on account, and when you proceed to the manage apps and a device, when you click on manage and choose not this device but not installed apps, you're going to see all of the applications which the Google account has been used to download. So this is a very extensive list of the history of all of the apps ever used on this device. Kind of unrelated to this, but I thought that you also might be interested in this. So I hope I was able to show you some interesting stuff. Let me know what you think below. Hit the thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you in the future videos as well.